Hi, welcome to the full stack development with Angular 8 and SpringBoot. In this video, we're going to understand about GitHub branch. So let's begin. I'm going to explain GitHub branch with this diagram. Let's say you created a new repository and the Git will automatically create a master branch for you. Just assume that master branch is nothing but your application. And now you start making changes to the master branch. Let's say you added a new feature to the master branch, and at some point of time your application may not work as expected because you are making some changes or you are adding a new feature to the application and your application get crashed. So now you cannot go back to your previous state and your master branch will get crashed. These things will happen many times in real world projects. So what the people will do is, whenever they are adding a new feature to the application, they are going to create a branches. The branch is nothing but a copy of the master branch. Once you create a branch, we can start adding a new feature to the branches that we have created. At some point of time, if something went wrong, it will affect only to the branches that we have created. The master branch will always be safe. Nothing will affect to the master branch. Suppose if everything works fine and you are happy with your feature, later you can merge your branch with the master branch. By doing this way, our application will work as before as it is, and nothing will happen to our master branch. Master branch will always be safe. Whatever the experiment that we will do it only in the branches that we have created, and anything happens to the application that will affect only to the branches. So from now onwards, in our online bookstore application, we are going to create a branches for each and every feature. Now let's jump into the Eclipse IDE and let's create a branch to our new feature. I'm inside the Eclipse IDE. So this is our repository. Just expand this and go to this branches. And inside the branches, we have two folders, local and a remote tracking. The local, which is nothing but our local machine, and the remote tracking, which is our remote machine. So let's create a branch. So just click on this origin/master branch and right click and click on this create branch. Provide a meaningful name to your branch. I'm going to call this search by category, and make sure to select the merge upstream commits into local merge and click on this checkout new branch and click finish. So now we have created a branches. It is only reflected within our local machine. So inside our local folder, you can see we have a new branch, search by category, and you can see the check mark. So now this new branch has been selected. So now whatever the code that we will add to this application, that will be remains in this search by category branch. Nothing will be available in the master branch. I mean, whatever the changes that we will do from now onwards, that will not be available in the master branch. So once we are happy with the new feature, then we are going to merge with our master branch. So that we will do at the end of the feature. So in the next video, we'll start adding a new feature to our application. That is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.